All right.
All right.
So we're now here in the city of Pasadena to pick up my racing bib.
Yeah.
So let's go. We made it here at Run With Us, and we're going in to pick up my bib. They were having a discount special for all the cool shoes there. And we got this. We got the Puma Nitro Elites. Here's the unboxing. And we got the green color. And that was the one available. And thankfully, they had my size. So this one, I'm a size 9. So we're back here at Griffith Park. And we're just checking to see where we could park. It's actually the same place where I ran the Griffith Park trail.
Yeah.
Same exact place. And right now, we're just walking around to see where the start line here is, or if it's the same or different. Well, here is the elevation here, the altitude. That's why I'm having a hard time running. Or now it dropped to 497 feet because we're going down. The trail would go that way, or the course.
Good morning, guys.
All right, good morning. We're back here in Griffith Park.
Yeah.
Actually, the same place where we did the 8K trail. But this time we're doing the half marathon, but not going up the trail. This time we're just gonna be in I think mostly flat surface, but I'm about to find out if that's true or not. Today I'm also wearing my Alpha Fly 3. I was supposed to wear the Endorphin Saucony Endorphin Elite 3 for this run, but when I was breaking it in, I didn't feel the, how do I say this, the style that I wanted.
Yeah. Or the push, or the
push.
Energy return.
There you go, the energy return. That shoe is more for comfortableness and cushiness. So yeah, so here we are. The place where you register. They got some vendors here. Back there is the start and finish line. We got the DJ up there. There's the start and finish line. Medical unit. We got some of the vendors here. We got the podium up there.
He's just warming up. We still have about like 40
minutes.
So he's taking his first, not supplement, but nutrition.
First dose.
Of the honey. It's that super honey.
And it helped me a lot. When I did the Long Beach Lighthouse Marathon, I took this towards the 7th mile. And it helped me a lot. Now I'm learning to take it in the beginning and take it during. So let's see how this goes. Last week at the Griffith Park 8K trail, I only took one, and that was good enough for it.
And you already took half of his banana earlier, so here we go. We're almost in the start.
All right, so I'm wearing my new Oakley. Well, it's actually not new. We got it like a year ago, but it'll be my first time wearing the Oakley in a race. I had the Pradas, but I already tried it, and I'm going to try this one. Well, we're about to start, and this time I'm not gonna go in the front. I'm just gonna go here in the middle. This is my line over here. I'm like somewhere in the middle.
Wow, there's a lot. Woo! Let's go! started. So yeah, a few more last minute runners are going in. They went all the way up there. So hopefully it's not the same course from the last Griffith Park 8K. This is the half marathon. I don't know where their route will be, but they're gonna finish here.
Oh wow, here's the old zoo right here. That's crazy. And we're now here in this part. Here's more of the old cages. All right guys, I'm now in mile 1.
Preparing now for the 12K. What I'm gonna do now is find a way to go to the course and maybe capture RJ in a course.
So we're now here in this part. We're about 1.2 miles out, and this is how the trail or course looks like so far.
Walking to some of the course, but then I just come to stop this bird. So cute. There's a bunch of like really different kinds of birds here. Hopefully we can find the part that they're gonna run to. I'm looking at the map, so I think we're going to the 6th mile mark. I'm hoping that I'm going in the right area though.
All right guys, we are underneath the bridge here of the freeway. Check this out guys, we're running beside the 5 freeway, and then there's the LA River right there. This is crazy. Woo. All right, we're almost at mile 2 guys, mile 2.
Found the 12-mile mark here, so I think we're still going this way to find at least like the halfway point, so we can capture something and then go back in the finish line. Going to our little adventure. Now I'm in the trail going down. I think I'm kind of lost, but I'm hoping I can find where the next point is. Found the mile marker. We got the water station here.
We're now in mile 3 guys, mile 3. We're in this part.
12Ks are here too. So this is, I think, the back and forth loop. This is mile 5, so we are in the good place.
All right guys, I'm in the 4th mile now. 4th mile. Here's the view over here, and we're about to turn around. There is the view of downtown LA right there. And here's the freeway. We're now in mile 5. Mile 5. Oh wow, they got horses there. That is so cool. Nice.
Looks like I can see him. Okay, I think he's coming. Yes, you got this. Woo! What mile you're in? Okay, all right, looking good. Woo! Yay! We saw him. We're going back to the finish line. So 5.2, we're in the correct water break then. Thankfully, we're in the right track. Now, we're going back to the finish line. We're going to trace our way here because I accidentally dropped one of our jacket. So let's see if it's still there. I don't know why. I know I secured it, but maybe when I was trying to rush in the water station, I probably accidentally dropped it somewhere. So hopefully it's still there. We're now in the main road. I think I can see our jacket. Someone put it in the railing. Whoever did that, thank you so much. Oh yes, they left it here. Yes. Oh, okay. Jacket is here. Yay. All right, we are now in the 12 mile right here. So a few people are already crossing it. I'm so happy they put the one of the jacket in the railing, so I was able to get it. We're gonna post in the finish line now. Here the MC announced that someone, the first place already crossed the finish line. Just heard that the runner number 2 crossed the finish line. Some of the 12K runners already finished their course. So I don't know if the first one that they announced is the full marathon. We're here now, yay!
All right, guys, we're almost at 6.5 miles already. We're halfway there, guys. Halfway there. Let's go. We're now here in the 7th mile. Almost there, guys. Past the halfway point. Let's go. All right, guys, we're now here in the 8th mile. 8th mile, guys. Almost there. Damn, this hill is hard. And look, there's a horsey friend. Oh man, climbing up this hill and dirt. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, we're now here in mile 9. Mile 9, almost there. Almost there. I'm just taking a quick break. Man, this trail and course is kicking my butt. It's mostly sand and dirt, and there's some parts that it's thick sand. So, man, caught me off guard. I didn't train for this, but man, this is a hard course. All right, I'm just trying to catch my breath, and let's go. We're in our 10th mile. 10th mile. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Woo! Almost there, guys. Woo! Almost there. Almost there, guys. We got some supporters here.
So we're here in the finish line. So based on the time, he's probably here coming soon.
All right, guys. I'm in the 11th mile. Almost there, guys. Almost there. We're in mile 12. Last mile. Let's go. Oh, crap. Our last uphill, guys. Oh, my gosh. Oh, so tired already.
All right, looks like I can see him. Woo! Woo! Yay! Woo! Woo! Oh my goodness! Congrats! Come on, let's go in the shade. Let's go in the shade. Oh! Oh! Oh!
It was the hardest race.
Yeah. Oh, you did it. You did it though. You did it. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Oh, great job. How hard is it?
Maybe like a 9 or 10.
Oh,
OC
no.
Marathon was OC half marathon was probably like a 7.
Yeah.
And then the Lighthouse Long Beach is like a 3.
This one.
9. Griffith is like, well, we're in Griffith Park, but it's almost similar. But man, this one has the length and the height.
Yeah. Just rest then. Just rest.
Welcome, ladies.
This was the hardest half marathon ever.
Yeah.
I had no idea I had to run on dirt and horse
Yeah.
trails, and the sand was thick. I thought I was in like Newport Beach. Oh my gosh.
That's why when I was going to where you guys are getting your water, I was like, crap, they're gonna be running in the the fire lane. But you did it though. You did it.
Under 3 hours.
Yeah.
I don't know my official time.
Yeah.
I forgot to turn this off because I was just
Yeah,
dead
that's
tired.
fine. Yeah. That's
Here, let
fine.
me finish this.
Yeah.
I paused it. This is the unofficial time, 13.1, 2 hours and 42
Wow.
in this trail.
Yeah, the trail is crazy.
I know. It goes up.
It goes up.
Oh, and the last 12 mile is all up.
Yeah.
I said, oh, hell no. It's my unofficial time. It is 2 hours and 42 minutes because once again, I forgot to turn it off. And then here is my official time at 2 hours and 41 minutes and 33 seconds. Wow, my Alpha Fly 3s did great on asphalt and dirt and what's that where the horses go? The horse trail. Yeah, this shoes did amazing. Who knew that this would do good in sand trail? This is all the people right now so far. It's still not finished yet, guys. So I still see a few people coming down the course. Truly blessed, man, that God gave me the strength. Because oh my gosh, I had no idea we were gonna go like in a horse trail sand. It came prepared for asphalt, but not the sand trail. So or fire lane. Is that what you call it? Yeah, fire lane for the off-road world. This was the hardest half marathon so far for me this year. Would I do it again next year? I have no idea. I'll think about it. But this was very challenging for me, and it really pushed me too. We'll head out now? Yeah, all right. So let's go.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we're here in Glendale at Mac's Restaurant. Here is our table, and this is how this place looks like. Here is their menu, and here's all their Filipino food, and they're known for their fried chicken. Here is our first meal. We got the sizzling pork sisig, squeezing the lemon. And here is our sinigang soup here. It's with pork and vegetables. And then we got their white rice. So far, this is our order right here. It's going to try the sinigang. What do you...
So good.
Oh, damn. Okay. All right. So she's going to try the sisig. Mix it with rice first. So here is their famous fried chicken. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so good. And this is all of our orders right here. They're also known for their banana ketchup. Their banana ketchup goes really well with their Mac's fried chicken. So she's tasting the Mac's chicken right there.
It's hot. It's good.
And here is our halo for dessert. Oh my gosh, guys. We got the ube ice cream. We got the leche flan. We got the ice, and we got all the other stuff here, guys. Try their halo. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Wow, this is good.
They're doing.
Sit down, giving it back to Michelle here. Well done, everybody.
All right, they're doing their own warm up right now before the race.